You like it?
Cold as heck. I love it. Oh my God.
I just bought it.
You just bought the plane?
I just bought the plane. That's our plane.
Oh my God.
This is our plane.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh God.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yep. Yep.
Not a cargo plane.
You gotta get it. No, it's not a cargo plane. Whatever. Okay, let's get out these people way. Let's look it up. Come on now. Hell yeah. There you go. Challenge. Hey. Tight shit. No, I'm talking about. Give me one of these. Give me one of these motherfuckers. You know, got that. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Plane, trains, and automobiles. Go ahead, Mom. Get on there. You got it. Go get on there. Go. Yeah. Yeah. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Get on there. Thank you, man.
Oh.
How's it going, brother?
Richard.
Thank you, Richard. Thank you, man. It's very nice to meet you, T-Pain, man. Oh, hell yeah.
Wow.
Absolutely. Yeah. Now I'm talking about, yeah. Big boy type shit. Now I'm talking about, let me get up in there motherfucking galley out there, big real though.
Oh, in the galley.
No, man. Snacks out there, big now, time out.
Kids, pet.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Gotta replace the little glass well.
You know what I'm saying? Gotta replace the glass, get a little
custom.
get the custom, you know what I'm saying? Little nappy boy tight shit up in there, beat reader. Stop touching shit, stop touching shit.
Sitting in your usual seat.
I'm sitting in my usual seat. I ain't gonna lie, I might keep these seats.
Yeah, I mean,
I was gonna change it to black. This gray ain't bad, goddamn. Yeah, children. Oh, we did it. Thanks, baby.
Beautiful, Pablo.
Thank you. Oh, Ma. I'm sorry, we about to go to Miami real quick. Yeah, we gotta go to Miami for a few hours, and then we gotta come back, you know.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
About that party.
Yeah, I forgot, yeah.
Hey, I got a text message yesterday say be at Fahim's house at 11:30. That's all I know.
Surprise.
This is crazy.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
Crazy.
Yep. Yeah.
This is crazy. Who does this?